Summary of 30 values. This is the value of what? The value of n, the number. We have 30 values. It's a given coding x minus c equals sum of x minus c all squared equals. Before start, if I ask you to get mu and variance without coding, mu is sum x over n. Variance is sum x squared over n minus sum of x over n the whole squared without coding. With coding, by subtracting any value. It's written in the question C. So I will write the formula with C. With coding, mu is sum x minus c divided by n, then you have to add c. But variance is sum x minus c all squared divided by n minus sum of x minus c over n the whole squared without adding c. Variance, if you subtract the exact value of mu, it's not c, I will write here x bar all squared divided by n, you will get the variance. So please, any question related with coding, just write all these formulas to the right side, then start to solve the question. Now, summation of x minus c, summation of x minus c all squared are given with n. By looking at the formula of variance. Look at the variance. All the information are given. It's given c minus c, it's given n, 7x minus c. So you can find what? The variance, right? If you read part A, he asked to get what? Find the standard deviation for the values of x, which is what? Square root of variance. I just substitute in this formula. Sum x minus c all squared, 1957.5 all squared. Please be ready for using the calculator. Sum of x minus c all squared, 1957.5 divided by n, which is 30, minus sum of x minus c, which is 234 over 30, the whole squared. After finding the variance, the standard deviation is positive square root of the variance. Give me the final answer, please. After taking the square root, write your answer, 3 significant figure. 2.10. Now, by looking at part T, given that the mean of these values 86, find the value of C. Which formula will use?
mu equals sum of x over
Mu with coding, right? Mu given 86 equal summation of x minus c over n, 234 over 30 plus c. You can solve it as equation. Find this value, move to the other side, 86 minus, what is the value of c? 70? 78.2. This is the value of c. By looking at marking scheme of this question, the final answer of standard deviation is 2.1. You will take answer correct. The method mark for using the formula and the substitute in the formula, M mark. You cannot take the answer without M1. Don't try to use your calculator and write your answer, the final answer, without any workout. You have to get the method mark first to get the answer correct. For part 2, the final answer 78.2. 1 mark. Before 1 mark is method mark. M1 followed by A1. Yes. We have back-to-back stem and leaf. Males to the right, females to the left. It's given the number written 93. And you can add all the values. Even it's written here 1, 3, 6, 9, 10, 7, 3. 1 means we have one value first row. 3, we have 3 values. If you add them all, you will get 39. Without mentioned in the question the number, without writing it to the right side, you can count them one by one. We have 39 values for males and 39 for females. Part 1. And also it's given the key. You have to read the key to back to the original values. It's written 23 right side, which is 20,300. Left side 22 means 20,200. يبقى الستم 10,000 والleaves بالhundreds. Number 1. Find the median and the quartiles for females. I tell you before, to get order of median. Order of median, you can direct divide it by 2. But in this case, you have to round it up if it is decimal, or if it is whole, we have 2 medians. The number is 39 divided by 2 is 19.5, right? Rounded up will be 20. This is the order of median. Number 20. Count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Circle them. But the median is not 7. You have to back to the raw data. The original value of 7 is what? Use stem is 22,700. Explain again. You have to get the order of median. 39 divided by 2, 19.5. Rounded up will be 20. Without counting, because it's given here 4. So the first row is 4. 4 plus 9, 4 plus 9, 13. So 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Same. So the order is 20. The median is, answer first one is 22,700. Find the median and the quartiles. Now, look at the median. Before median, how many values? Before medians, how many values? 19. 19 divided by 2 is 9.5. Rounded up will be 10. The 10th value represents the lower. The first row, we have 4. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Also 7. Back to the original value. Will be what? Q1, it's called lower quartile. The lower quartile is 21,700. By the same way, after 7, which is represented the median, we'll count 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. What is the upper quartile? Q3. Q3 is 24,000. 22,700 is Q2. Now we have Q1, Q2, and Q3. Q1 is called what? Lower quartile. Q2 is called median. Q3 upper. Read part 1 again. Find the median, done, and quartiles, which is lower and upper. Clear part 1? You are given that the median salary of males, the median salary, no need to count it, is given, a lower quartile given, the upper quartile given. Represent the data by means of pair, box, and whisker for both. First, you have to draw horizontal line, and this horizontal line, it has a scale. The lower value and minimum and maximum for each have to be on this table on the line by drawing the number line. The first values, we have 20,300 or 20,000. I will start with 20,000. Let's say this will be 20,000. 20,000. The maximum value, 20,600. 20,000, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, and 27. Now, I will start with male. You can switch between male and female. I will start with male. For male, we have 5 values. Minimum value, higher value, lower value, minimum, median, lower, upper. The first value with male is 20,300. 20,300, let's say at this point. Then the highest, 26,600. 26,600. Lower quartile, 22,600. 22,600. Upper median. الميديان 24. الميديان 24. الupper 25,300. 25,300. By drawing rectangle for these values with any width. By drawing whiskers right and left. By the same way for girls. Ask to draw both. Represent data by means of pair of box and whisker for male and female.
Do we need to use the jacket?
Sure.
Do we need to use the jacket?
No, it's okay. If we start the second one, we need also 5 values: upper, lower, median, minimum, maximum. Minimum value of female is 20,000. 20,000. The highest value, 26,500. 26,500. Lower quartile, 21,700. 21,700. Then 22,700. 22,700. then 24, 24. The box has a rectangle. By comparing, I forgot to plot these points down, right? Okay. By comparing, which is high salary, female or male? How do you know that? How do you know male?
Higher,
Higher median, good. Higher median. Okay. He asked to represent data by means, bear, box, and whisker just only in a single diagram. So means by the same scale. Summation, it's given the number. If we back to all these four, any question related with coding, I will take all these values. The summary given X number is 22. The number is 22. Sum of X minus 50. Sum of X minus 50 all squared. He asked to get the variance, find the variance, and hence find summation of X squared. First, to find the variance, which form you can use? Use the variance form. Summation of X minus C all squared, I will use this form. Summation of X all squared, variance is summation of X minus 50 all squared divided by N minus summation of X minus 50 divided by N the whole squared. So the variance is summation of X minus 50 all squared given 671.0 divided by N 22 minus sum of X minus 50 divided by N 81.4 divided by 22 the whole squared. Give me the value of variance, please. Again? 16.8. Okay. Now, A. V is 16.8. He asked to get sum of X squared. Sum of X squared, try to find the mu first. How to get the value of mu? Sum of X minus 50 divided by N, you have to add 50. Sum of X minus 50 is 81.4 divided by 22 plus 50. Please give me the value of mu. Mu. Again? 53.7. Now, if you write the value of how to get the summation of X from the value of mu, if back again to the original formula, mu is sum X over N, right? Without coding. Mu found 53.7. Sum of X divided by N, which is 22. Cross multiplication, you can find sum of X. Sum of X equals what? 53.7 times 22. I need more than one to calculate. Because if you have any mistake, we can correct it directly.
1181.4.
1181.4. Variance without coding is sum of x squared over n minus sum of x over n the whole squared. The variance found before in step number 1, which is 16.8. 16.8. Asked to get sum of x squared divided by n, which is 22. Sum of x 1181.4 divided by 22, the whole squared. Move to the other side, 16.8 negative. Move it to the other side, will be plus 1181.4 divided by 22 whole squared is equal sum of x squared divided by 20, then multiply by 22. So what is the summation of x squared? The final answer? 63,811. Okay, you can round your answer. Is it correct? Rounded? Okay, same.